Why does your scanner show the P1421 engine code? What does it mean? P1421 is a diagnostic trouble code for cold start control. It indicates that the PCM cannot monitor the engine's idle speed and ignition timing when the engine is started with pre-warming up condition. Replace the air filter also. Check the catalytic converter and replace the fuel injectors. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car: fuel system issues, airflow issues, exhaust issues, wiring issues, fuel injector issues, oxygen sensor issues, engine control module issues, intake manifold issues. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This engine code, which signifies a cold start control issue, can appear in various vehicle models and is most commonly reported on Nissan vehicles such as the Versa, Sentra, Maxima, and Cube. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.